I'm just about to reveal how anybody can start making money on TikTok in 2022 without recording any silly challenges and without dancing in front of the camera, so let's give it a try. I'm talking about affiliate marketing on TikTok. And here's the thing, guys. Everybody knows that getting a video viral on this platform is way easier than getting a video viral on YouTube or Instagram, for instance. And that is because the TikTok algorithm does a great job of giving everybody an equal chance of getting exposure. As long as you're posting high quality content consistently, there is a pretty good likelihood that at some point along the way, you will get a video viral. And that's precisely what we are about to leverage in today's video. And here's the thing, if you're watching this clip, I'm pretty sure that you're also somewhat familiar with the concept of affiliate marketing, right? You're basically helping other people sell their products and you will receive a commission whenever that happens. You generate a sale and you receive a commission. It is that simple. And having that in mind, here's what I want you to do next. By the way, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so you don't need any previous experience or anything of that sort. You can just follow along and implement the method as you go. What you want to do is connect to any affiliate marketplace, and Digistore24 is one of the best examples. That's gonna provide you with a few different options, ranging from digital products to events and seminars to services and physical products. But ideally, you want to focus on the first one, which is digital products, just because they are way easier to sell. People can just place an order and receive their items instantaneously, so it is effortless. And once you click on that option, you will have a few different subcategories to take a look at. But to make things a little bit easier for you and to simplify the process, let's go for this category right here, this niche that is called dating, love, and relationships. If you click on that, you will be provided with a few different products you can start promoting, but I'm interested in this one in particular. It is called His Secret Obsession, and it literally offers 90% commissions. It's also one of the best sellers on the platform with a crazy cart conversion rate of 13%. That's a pretty good one. It's also got quite a high cancellation rate, which might be a drawback, but let's just leave that aside for now. But here's the thing about it. As you can see, they've got both a sales page, and this is where you will be sending people to make them eventually purchase the item, but you've also got an affiliate support page. And this one has been specifically engineered to help us as affiliate marketers increase our productivity and generate more sales. In other words, this seller is literally going to provide us with all of these different useful resources, ranging from sample emails for email marketing to promotion links, product reviews, hooks and angles, copywriting materials, and so on. So what you want to do is just pick one of the options and then just submit your email address. Once you've done that and you've clicked on Get Started Now, you will be taken to a different page where you can access all of the resources. But now, guys, we're not going to implement email marketing because that would be a little bit more complicated. You need to actually build an entire email list, and you will have a sequence of emails that you can send in a certain order to your email list, and so it is a little bit more complicated if you're just starting out. So let me simplify things even further. What you want to do is go over to the image and video ads section and then select video ads. Now, guys, just to emphasize that TikTok affiliate marketing is a brand new opportunity, it's a novel opportunity that not many people are taking advantage of. Take a look at this. This seller has put together resources for Instagram affiliate marketing, Pinterest, Facebook affiliate marketing, and so on, but they have nothing for TikTok, which means that this is a new opportunity. So let's just pick video ads and make use of what we already have. There will be both longer pitch clips and short attention grabbing clips. And you guessed it, we are interested in the latter because that's precisely what TikTok is built on, short attention grabbing clips. So you want to pick that option and then download them on your device. And take a look at these titles. They're actually quite interesting. Discover why good men pull away, get him back without playing games, why men lose interest in good women. All of these topics will be interesting for a female audience, right? That being said, what we want to do is just download the zipped videos, and that will basically download all of the resources onto your device so you can make use of them. But we are not ready just yet. You see, guys, these videos are not specifically engineered for TikTok, and for that reason, they are not the right proportion. We need vertical videos. One thing you can do is connect to Canva.com. Once you're here, you want to search for an Instagram story, select that option, and then create a blank one. Or you can choose one of their pre-done templates, but for today's method, it doesn't really serve us all that much. And instead, you want to start with a blank piece of paper and build it up. I'm just gonna wait for my resources to be downloaded on my device, and I'll be back in a second. And by the way, guys, that is not all. Apart from all of these different short video ads that we've got, the website is also gonna provide us with materials for copywriting. We're talking about hooks and angles. In other words, they're literally gonna provide you with the text and with the ideas that you need to use in order to promote this item. Take a look at this, for instance. You've got an in-depth explanation of this angle, and then you even have headlines and subject line examples. It even goes in depth depth about the conversation in your customer's head. And so if you want to take it one step further and not only depend on the videos they are going to provide you with, what you want to do is take a look at the copywriting materials and repurpose them. You're going to make use of all of this text and turn it into a short attention-grabbing clip that you can post on TikTok. But let's not get ahead of ourselves here. The first thing we want to do is repurpose all of those video ads. Once we've done that successfully, we can take it one step further and improve upon it. By the way, guys, TikTok affiliate marketing is not the only approach you can take. Again, you've also got dedicated resources for Pinterest affiliate marketing if you're interested in that. For instance, you could download all of these banners, post them on Pinterest, and then just hope for the best. But to be entirely truthful, this may not work all that efficiently in 2022. This is quite an old way of doing affiliate marketing. The competition is also really high, and so your chances of generating some engagement and then some sales are pretty slim. So you will end up wasting a lot of time testing out different strategies and not being all that profitable. And so guys, take a look at this. What I can do is just upload the video I've downloaded off of that website and paste it on top of this template. Now I can just change the color of that background and make it black, and this one looks pretty good. But as far as I know, TikTok tries to promote vertical videos that have been specifically designed for their platform, and so all of these landscape ones may not perform that well. If you want to be 100% on the safe side and make sure that you're efficient about the process, what you want to do is recreate this video from scratch. But don't worry about it, it's only gonna take an additional few minutes. Take a look at this. If you get back to hissecretobsession.com, you will be provided with a whole video text you can just copy. Once you've done that, you can connect to any online video editor such as InVideo.io, for instance, and you can create a new video from scratch. You're just going to compile a bunch of stock footage together until you're satisfied with your result. Where are you gonna grab that stock footage? Well, there you go. It's called pexels.com, and this is just one of the options you've got. What you want to do right now is just search for relevant content by typing in some keywords and you're good to go. Additionally, you want to go over to the video section and pick some short clips, and you can also choose the orientation. You can just take a look at the vertical ones. There you have it. And I think this is just perfect. At this point, you can download a bunch of videos for free, compile them together using InVideo.io, and also make sure to caption them. And if everything goes according to plan, you've just got yourself a short attention-grabbing clip that only took you about a few minutes to create. But the thing about it is that once you're posting these videos consistently and you're recreating similar videos every single day, eventually you will start generating some decent traffic. You will get people interested. Again, all of this text has been created by a professional copywriter who knows what they are doing, and you're just taking advantage of it. And once everything is set up, there is just one more step for you to complete, and that is copying your affiliate link off of digistore24.com and pasting that in the first line of your TikTok bio. You're generating all of that organic traffic, you're getting people interested in the product you're promoting, and then you are sending them straight over to the sales page. If they buy, you will receive a commission, and in this case, we're talking about 90%. The seller is literally going to give you most of the profit just for helping them sell this item. They've probably got a great system in place of upselling the customers once they buy the first product, but we don't really care about that. What we care about is making that 90% commission, and it can be done through TikTok. The main advantage of using this strategy instead of paid ads on Facebook or Instagram or even TikTok is that you don't have to pay a single dollar upfront. You get to create these short attention-grabbing clips for free. You can post as many as you want, as long as you have enough time to create them, and you are good to go. Is that going to make thousands of dollars for you? Probably not, but it is a great starting point, and it doesn't take a genius to make it happen. And of course, you can then diversify. Let's say that this dating, love, relationships niche doesn't really work for you. Well, you can always switch over to business and investment, or whatever else you're passionate about. Health might also be a good one. All in all, I personally think that TikTok is the best place to get organic traffic in 2022. It is quite easy to generate decent amounts of views, and using it as a source of traffic for affiliate marketing is a great idea. I'm pretty sure you can do a far better job when it comes to creating these videos than I can, so I'm gonna let you take it from here. But you've got all the resources you need to make it work. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.